What to do after you upload your videos is as important as the video itself, because if you don't do this after you upload your videos, you will not see views. You will not see views and you will not go on YouTube. So it's very important for you to do these things after you have uploaded your video. And I'll be showing you 10 things you need to do after you upload your video. If you want to start seeing views and you want to start growing on YouTube, so these 10 things after you upload your videos for more views and growth on YouTube. Let's get started. First thing, number one thing is that your YouTube video title, people will not watch your videos. And anytime when you want to create title for your video, make sure that your title has SEO keywords in it that people are searching for. Don't just have a think about the title and just put it there. No, you have to make sure that the title, this is the title that people are looking for, people want to watch. And how can you know that? You can go to YouTube search bar, just put the title there and see whether the title is still relevant. It must be relevant. Someone in your description. Your description of your video is also very important. When you are picking titles on YouTube, it is very important that the titles are relevant and is what people want to watch. Use ChatGPT for your descriptions. And I'll be telling you 2 ways you can use ChatGPT for your description. The first way is that after you are done with your videos, probably you have an app that can transcribe the video for you. So after you have transcribed the video, just carry it to ChatGPT. I'm going to tell you that this is my video transcription. Give me a 1-paragraph description for my video, and make sure it has SEO keywords in it. That is very important. Make sure that it has SEO optimization keywords in there, because that is what people are searching for. So, and we'll be so surprised that ChatGPT will bring it out for you. The second way, I'm still going to be using ChatGPT. This time I probably do have an app that can transcribe for you. So don't worry, there's another way you can do it. What you need to do that, you just go to ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT that I'm a content creator. I create content. I create videos on YouTube. This YouTube growth. My name is YouTube growth. I want a description on this video title. Put that of your video there, and then that you should have SEO optimized keywords in there. Yeah, make it a 1-paragraph. If you have other keywords that you want it to rank for your YouTube, you have it. Put it there. I tell you that you should use this keyword for you, so that you can rank high on YouTube search engine or on YouTube. So put the keywords there. Make sure you just pick 1 paragraph. Don't make it too long. Don't make it like, no, you're not writing a script. Just 1 paragraph is enough. But you should have keywords, SEO keywords that people are searching for on YouTube. So just tell ChatGPT that for you, and you'll be surprised. Very fast, ChatGPT will bring that for you. So it's very easy. It makes it work very easy. You don't have to stress yourself, stress your brain, and don't have to take long time thinking of what you want to write. In a few seconds, your description is ready. But make sure your video at least has description. Number 3 is your hashtags. Hashtag is meant from tags. Hashtags are the things that are those ones that you put after your description, and it's very important. 3 to 5 hashtags is okay. Don't push too much, because if you put too much, it will not show. It will only show 3, 4. So why are you putting too much? If you consider the algorithm is too much, just put 3 to 5 hashtags is okay for you to put there. But it's very important for you to put hashtag at the end of your description. Always put hashtags. And make sure the hashtag you are putting there, they are keywords that have been searched for on YouTube. You don't know how to build, you don't know how to write. You can also add GPT for you to guide the hashtag for you. It's very simple. Just tell it from the description. I want to write an hashtag. Give me 5 hashtags. Or give me hashtag for this video description you just produced. To bring it out for you, it's very easy. And let's go to the 4th one. The 4th one is links. You need to put links in your description. When I say links, I just can't look for links. Links, you can put your affiliate link. Maybe you have a product that you want to advertise on YouTube. You can put your affiliate links. Maybe you have a course that you discuss in your video. You can put it. Or probably a video you want people to watch after you are done watching this one. You can also put it there. But the most important one is your playlist link. Make sure anytime you produce a video, put it in a playlist. And go and copy that link and always put it in your description. So why is it important? I should have put my playlist there. Let me tell you. Like if you are watching from a computer, there's a place that YouTube will be suggesting some video for them to watch. If you don't put your own playlist in there, YouTube will suggest other videos for them to watch. And when they are done watching your own, they'll just go to other video and start watching it. But if you put your playlist list, instead of YouTube suggesting that video for them, they'll be suggesting the videos on that playlist for them. So when you are done watching this one, they can also watch another one from your playlist. You can see they stay longer watching your videos. That's why you need to put your playlist link. It is very important. After your description, your description, your hashtag, make sure you put your playlist links or any other links that you have always put it. Next one is your thumbnails. Your thumbnails are also very important. Your thumbnail should be simple and straightforward, but it should be eye-catching. Because people don't, if they're not eye-catching, people don't want to watch it. Because what people will see first is your thumbnail. And if it's eye-catching, they will be curious to know what is the video. So you have to do a good thumbnail that's eye-catching. Don't make it to be too that people don't even know what to read there. Too many words, you convince their head. Whatever is going to be there, let it be straightforward that you will be able to read. Maybe at a glance, they'll just be able to know what the video is about. The next one is your tags. Your video tags, they are also very important. These are different formats. These ones are tags. You see where you're going to see your tags? So these are the called tags. I see where your video tag is supposed to be. Your description should be here. You can see this is a link there. Make sure you put the link there. Tell your description. Now, go to see more. Now, before you talk about your tags, the other things you see before tags, make sure they are put there. The things that you see before tags, probably you have anything that describe your content, probably or tag, you put no, put everything. If you have automatic chapter, if you can put your chapter yourself, you unclick it, but you don't know, let YouTube put it for you. Probably can put a timestamp, so you unclick it. But if not, leave it as YouTube will always put chapters for you. It's not accurate, but it's better than none. So all these places, now this is where your tags is. Look at it, this is where they put your tags. Make sure your tags, you can put as many as 500 words, but not because of that you have to put all the 500 words, but put as many words there that you want to rank for. Put as many as you want there. And the app that you can app rabbittags.io is free. All you don't need to put there is just put your title there and press enter. You should bring out the tags that you can use. So just copy it one by one and take it to your tags. It's very simple. Make the work straightforward. Once you start thinking, you can start using that app. It is free. rabbittags.io. Start using that app for your tag. It's very important. Next, end screens are those small bars that is shown at the end of your video. And it's very important for you to add end screens. There's end screen, there's cards. Look at it. There's end screen, there's card. End screen is important. You can also add cards if you want. But end screen is very important. Always add your end screen. Just click on it like this. Put end screen in my home. And for your end screen, they'll show you some option. You can only select anyone. You can select 2 videos, subscribe button. But for me, I always select video, subscribe button, and playlist. Why do I choose playlist? If anyone click on my playlist, they'll be able to watch the videos on that playlist. It's not the one video they'll be able to watch all the videos on that playlist. When one is finished, you plan that one for them. That's why I just put playlist, so that if they happen to click on it, they'll be able to watch more of my videos. But it's not important if you want to put playlist, but make sure you just add end screen. It's only one video and your subscribe button. It is very important. So at the end of your video, YouTube will bring out the end screen for them to watch. You can always also add cards if you want to add, but it's optional. But end screen is very important. The next one is subtitle. Video subtitles help you subtitle your video. After you have subtitled your video, you'll be able to add it other languages to it. Probably people that do not understand English. After you subtitle your video, I'm going to put add language. These are my subtitle. Then you put subtitle. Now, what do you use the subtitle to do? Let's use the subtitles. I'll show you can add different languages there. Okay, add. So your subtitle can also so they will subtitle those videos to your subtitle to different languages. Probably you have people from China, people from Korea that want to watch your video but don't understand English. So you need to be able to subtitle it for them. There's a video I did on how you can add subtitles and language to your video. I'll put the link at the end of this video in the description box so you can watch that video after you are done. That is the way you can add different languages. Very important. When you add different languages, probably people from India are watching your video but they don't understand English. YouTube will subtitle for them in Indian when you add the language there. But when you are done with your video, when you have uploaded your video, have everything, don't publish your video immediately. No. It doesn't help the algorithm. They are YouTube algorithm needs some time to go to that video so they can know the audience that video is meant for, and so they can publish your video to the right audience. So you have to put your video in probably unlisted or you schedule it for some time. Don't publish your video immediately. No, it's not good. You can give it maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 24 hours. But make sure you give it some time Let it stay on YouTube for some time. So the algorithm to watch, you people to watch the video, understand what the video is about, so they can be able to post it to the right audience. And very sure you don't want your video to go to those to the one that will not want to watch your video. The next one, I've done your video, you have now published your video, I've given some time, you have now published your video. Now the next thing is that have more, if you go and watch it on another channel, YouTube don't have, you have like have more than one channel. So when you go and watch it on your channel, at least you're advertising your video yourself. As YouTube like, okay, people start watching, let me take it, let me produce to more people. Don't you have to go and watch it. When I say go and watch it on your other channel, make sure you watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part. Watch from the beginning to the end. And when you are done watching it from your other channel, make sure you like it and put a comment just to prove the algorithm that your video is working. Take it to other people to watch. Because you have more than one, or if you have one or two other channels, make sure you watch it there. Another thing, if you have all that, you can take from other people's phone, other people's laptop, and watch your video from it. The more people, just immediately after you have published your video, within that 24 hours, you need to do it fast. After publishing your video, you need to do it fast. Maybe 12 hours after publishing your video, you need to go and watch that video from another channel that you have. Take other people's phone, watch your video from it. And then you are watching, make sure you are watching that video to the end. Don't skip any part of that video. If you skip the video and don't watch the end, you are giving the YouTube signal that video is not good, but that's why they are skipping it. So make sure you watch to the end, like and put a comment. Don't skip the video. If you have people to watch it for you, tell them not to skip the video. Let them to watch. And the last one is that always do short. Short is important. Short go a longer way than long video. And when you do your short, make sure you relate your long videos in your short. You relate it to your long video to your short. And if people are done watching your short, they'll go and watch that long video. So that is one important thing. Always relate your long video to your short. Probably those people that already have history on you. Probably you are just new on YouTube, you'll not be able to relate your videos. But if you are not new on YouTube, make sure you are always relating your videos to your shorts. So if you have gained anything from this video, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share with others. And see you in my next video. Bye.